Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Winnebago Intent 29L. This is a brand new product line for Winnebago in 2018 and lots to see. Come on inside, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this 2018 Intent 29L, look at the amount of space you have back here. You do have a full-size queen bed. It is a walk-around, and as you can see in these cubby holes back here, you do have power and USB on both sides of the bed. Plenty of storage space above and beside the bed. Also, plenty of wardrobe and dresser drawer space. You'll notice these are all on full ball-bearing slides, and you'll notice they do open all the way. Some of our competition just only opens to about here, but something very nice, very convenient for the Winnebago product. When you get out here a little bit further, you'll also notice that you've got full pantry space as well. Wonderful thing. This is something that you might not expect to see, is an all-electric refrigerator. Something that makes the Winnebago Intent a little bit more unique. This is an all-electric. You do of course have an inverter on board to help handle that. If you're running this refrigerator on nothing but the inverter and the two batteries, you ought to be able to make this refrigerator last for about 49 hours before you have to turn the generator on and recharge. At least that's what Winnebago is telling us. Just take a peek at how much room you've got in there. You've got a very spacious shower in there, very accommodating for someone as tall as 6'3" or 6'4". You've got a nice mirror space, plenty of room there, and storage down below and above. No shortage of things you can do in here, stuff you can store, etc. As we move on out into the rest of the coach, you do of course have a fully equipped kitchen, microwave, 3-burner gas cooktop, and of course an oven that is big enough to roast a chicken in, no worries. Also, some forward thinking from Winnebago. Just check out the size of that drawer down there that they're using for pots and pans. You've also got all of your cabinet space and shelves here at about eye level. Again, I stand about 5'9", so I can very easily access everything that's in here, no problem. As we move out into the living space, very nice feature as well. You've got your sofa directly across from the dinette. That's going to make for some great family time, wonderful fun at game night, card night. If you're hosting friends for happy hour, there's just a lot of great flexibility that you have up here. As we work our way up into the chassis, this is of course still going to be on a Ford F53 chassis. You are of course going to have your electronic automatic leveling. This is going to feature 320 horsepower, let's see, 420 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty simple design up here. You've got your side view camera monitor. This will also do for backup cameras. This also has mirroring technology in it as well, so that you can directly link your cell phone to this, make Google Maps work, hands-free text messaging, the whole 9 yards. Last important thing to note about the inside of this coach is this wonderful drop-down bunk. No manual control required. All you got to do is go back to your main control panel there, push a button. This will slide down. It does have a 250-pound capacity, so you can sleep an adult up there or a couple of small children. That's about all the time we have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. So as I said, this is a brand new product line for Winnebago for 2018, and this is very much an entry-level coach. Something that you're not probably accustomed to seeing on an entry-level coach is side view cameras. You may have heard me mention that inside when we were talking about that center console display. Side view cameras are absolutely essential for 100% safety. As we work our way around to the back of the coach, you'll notice that you do have a small storage bay here. That is a full pass-through. You've also got a nice unique little spot down there to tie your dog up nice and safe. As we work our way around a little bit further, a little bit bigger storage bay that you can get lots of good stuff in there. I can fit a couple sets of golf clubs in there without too much trouble. Perhaps the most significant feature about this Intent 29L is this big, beautiful outdoor kitchen. This literally has everything you need to host a party, host a tailgate, or just get outside and not have to worry about cooking inside in this beautiful sunshine that we're having. You've got a refrigerator here that you can put lots of drinks in, no worries. You've got storage down here for utensils and silverware. You've got a good little workspace right here as well. Bottle opener, place to hook up the pet. You've got a drain pump for the sink. You've got fully lit, and your TV is out here as well. Not a whole lot more you can do other than just party it up and have a wonderful time. Let's see what else we have back here. You are of course going to have a 5,000-pound tow hitch. You are going to have your backup camera. Something that's kind of nice about this is that you're going to have your fuel filler cap on the back side of the coach. That means you can pull into any side of the pump and be able to fill your tank without any trouble. As we work our way around a little further, easy attachments for your outdoor or for your park cable or park satellite connection if you're doing a portable unit. And perhaps the most interesting thing is when we get up towards the front, you again have two big storage bays right there, and that is again the other side of that big pass-through that we had on the other side. Last thing to note is something that's a little bit more unique. Rather than having one big fixed propane tank, you instead have two of these smaller tanks like you would use for a barbecue. It's going to make it real easy to host that tailgater, or if you do actually need to refill while you're out having fun with your family, you don't need to bring the entire motorhome into town. You can just refill one at a time. If you look in there a little bit closer, you'll also note that that is expandable. Comes with 2 cylinders, but you can actually fit 4 in there no problem for about 20 or 25 gallons of propane. So that is going to make this a very flexible, very useful coach in a lot of different ways. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time we have to talk about this beautiful Winnebago Intent 29L. Once again, my name is Erik.Sakshaug. If you have any questions about this coach or any of the other wonderful pieces that we have on our property, please feel free to give me a call at the 800 number below on the screen. Or if you'd like, please feel free to contact me directly on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.